We are here today with Adrian Isfan. Adrian, welcome back to the show.
Hey, Mike, thanks for having me once again. It's been quite some time since we
Been a
jumped into
long
this
time.
show.
You were one of the people that was on my show a long time ago, but we have a first for today. We've never had your cat on the show today.
Yeah,
But
his name is Timon, and he's always following me around like a black
I like
shadow.
that. That's a good touch. Don't ever come on the show again without the cat, okay? I'll be disappointed. Today we're going to be talking about a new software that you're going to be releasing. I'm going to read off the headline for it and let you bring us into it. It says, fine-tune your own AI agents for 24/7 lead generation, conversion, and support management in 3 easy steps. Experience the future of customer interaction with AI agents that never rest, ensuring every lead is captured and every inquiry answered. So what's this all about and why should we be excited?
Okay, so this is actually I know everybody's heard about chatbots before, but we also heard about chatbots before, but that didn't stop us from creating a unique one that is not necessarily, a general chatbot that replies customers on their question very vague. It's something that you can train based on your knowledge base, so you can add knowledge base to this chatbot, and it's going to know everything about your business. So every single time that's going to interact with one of your customers or your leads, it's going to know exactly what to say based on your business, right? So it's going to be quite customized on your business's brand and voice. And you shouldn't like use it only as a chatbot, but it's actually, we've built it to build you a lead, to build you leads. So basically you can use it as a lead generation widget on your website that's capable of not only answering all the questions and pre-qualify customers for you, but also gather all their information and build a database with leads for you. So that is where this is really exciting, because you can fine tune your own AI agent that can work 24/7, working on improving your conversion and support management.
One of the biggest problems for me in my business is I have a hard time. You probably have at some point, or maybe you still do have an issue with this. It's being able to hand over parts of your business to other people, because you know that in general, you know the most about your business. And
Yeah,
it's hard to say to someone else, oh, go run my chat for me, go run my support for me, because that person's not going to know everything that you know. But it sounds like with this is maybe the best next best thing of, instead of putting yourself in those shoes, if you can train something, if you can have something that actually knows about your business, it's kind of like you're like, okay, I can't be there 24/7. I have a family, I have a job, I have other things I need to be working on. This is maybe the next best thing, and at the same time, it's able to generate leads, so and get new people into your business.
definitely. And I'm also using it on my own business because, as you well known, I have 2 little kids and I'm not
Yep.
able to be like full-time available for all my customers and for all the leads that are having questions. But I want you to imagine, like, I wanted to clone myself so many times before, and now I was capable of doing so because I have added all my knowledge base and all my experience. Just think for a moment how massively transformative it could be for your business if you could team up with the world's top sales guru to pitch your products, then bring on board of masters of deals to seal these pitches, and finally ensure that your customers receive VIP treatment from the best support crew around. Like, think about, being Frank Kern, Ryan Dice, and Zappos all in the same chat, right? And assemble this 24/7 sales, deal closing, and support dream team for your business. And how would that work for you?
It would work great. I wish I could have myself be in my, like, I wish I could hire myself to work for myself. Like I would, the thing is, like you said, you can hire these you can get these the kind of the brains of these really smart people, but just being able to hire someone that knows about your business, I think that's the important part here, is that they're going to actually
Yeah.
know about your business, being able to sell for you. And I'm looking at your sales page right now. I mean, you've got lots of examples of being able to use this for like use AI agents to answer basic questions, schedule sessions for like consultants and freelancers. You can use it to qualify leads for marketing. Bloggers can use it to keep your readers engaged and informed. Online course creators, I mean, you can have it selling for you, answering people's questions. Because how many times I mean, you do affiliate marketing and you sell your own products as well. People have little questions that they want answered before they purchase. They just want to know that they can actually get, maybe it's just a little quick question about something. And if that question gets answered by someone knowledgeable, then then they're going to be much more likely to buy. Why don't you go ahead, and I know you wanted to show us a little bit inside of the software and kind of give us an example of how it works. If you're ready.
Indeed, yes. Just give me 1 second. I just want to make sure I'm opening another page of where I actually created a version of me to actually support you guys, the affiliate partners that are actually recommending and endorsing this product. So I'm going to start off by showing you how I did it, and then I'm going to show you how it works. But this is just going to be, a sneak peek, because tomorrow, right, and the following day, we are going to hold a pre-launch webinar where I'm going to go into details and show you how you can construct this for your own business. So I don't want to spill up all the beans today. So I'm just going to do a quick, couple of minutes demo just to show you what's in store for the coming day.
So everyone watching, by the way, go ahead and click that link. I'll have it below. There should be a link for you to sign up for that, and you can sign up for that call and learn even more about this and ask any questions that you have to Adrian during that call. I'm sure you'll have some special goodies and stuff for them as well for being on there live. But yeah, I appreciate you giving us at least a sneak peek. That's nice of you.
Okay, so here's what's going to happen in a couple of days. We are going to reveal, and I'm going to make a full training on how you can create AI chat agents that are not your typical AI agent. They can be created with a certain purpose in mind, okay? So I already have created a couple of them. I can create a brand new one, give it a name like Adrian, let's say, sales page, because I might want to create one for my sales page. I can select the company because this is kind of integrated with ConvertLead. I'm not going to give too much details about it because I don't want to spill up all the beans. Upload the files to your website. Also, here is where I can actually give it the chat knowledge base file. So I'm just going to upload one file over here. And in 3 simple steps, I already have a brand new agent for my sales page, right? That doesn't have any conversation right now. And I can basically configure it the way I want it to look and put my colors, my branding colors, my avatar, icons, button text, and everything, even show branding or, choose not to. Settings is where you set your welcome message. You can have your system prompt. This is basically where you instruct your agent how to behave during the conversations. You can integrate it with different platforms. We support over 3,000 platforms using webhook integration. So you can not only, you can bring leads from other platforms, other CRMs, and you can send leads outside the bot to your own CRM using webhook integration, or you can even integrate it with our ConvertLead platform. That is, the main platform. As you can see, we have the knowledge base over here as well. And once I created these 3 steps, all I have to do is just embed this simple JS link, this single line of code onto my website, and you're going to be basically having your agent ready to go on your website, right? And we also have a couple of videos on how this works. You can check them out after you join. But I want to show you the way I configured my AI agent that's going to replace me when I'm talking with my JV partners, my affiliate partners, where I give all the details.
That's a quick question. I'm going to interrupt you. You said you uploaded a file to it. I'm curious about what was in that file that you uploaded. Like, what kind of information did you give it so that it would know stuff about like what it's talking about?
So, like, particularly for this file, I basically, this is an AI chat agent. This is actually the product knowledge base file where I have an overview over what exactly is AI chat agent, what does integrate with, how it can be customized, how it continues learning on unmatched expertise, the key features of the product. Why now this is kind of made for the affiliate business, right? Because I'm trying to give reasons why partners like yourself should be jumping on endorsing this product. So I'm also giving like the important launch dates. I'm giving out key affiliate links, product descriptions, funnel descriptions, everything that an affiliate has to know when setting up their affiliate campaign is actually in the file. But this is just an example. It can be anything. It just needs to explain your business and give the details of what you want your agent to talk about and be aware of.
Frequently asked questions, Adrian, too. Like if you make one of these and people are asking questions and you're not able to answer them, you could always add into a document, add that information in there. If you find out that people are asking about certain things, you could always add that in and keep you
can keep updated. Yeah, you can keep updated, right? That is another good point you mentioned over there. So let's go ahead and obviously for privacy reasons, I don't want to show what other people have been talking with this thing. But let me just make sure it's the right one selected, and we can have a conversation with it, and we can ask him questions right off the gate. So let's go ahead and open up a chat. As you can see, this is my face over here, and I am on my own AI assistant trying to help you, Mike, to find out all the information about the upcoming launch. I'm just going to start up the conversation like, hello, this is Adrian, right? Let's see what it replies. How can I assist you today? I'm interested. When will the pre-launch webinar go live? Right, because this is like typical questions that affiliate partners would ask.
And I'm interested if it's going to understand it because you spelled webinar wrong, but it still understood you. Watch, that's interesting. Even though you spelled like I'm interested, you didn't put I'm right, and you had webinar spelled incorrectly, but it still understood you. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, well, we were using the latest technology from OpenAI. There's no, it is crafted with our own proprietary technology, so it kind of understands even if you're misspelling like me. Can you actually give me the details here? I want to know the date and time. Right, so consider that it should be sending me to my email, but I'm not interested. I want to see them over here. So let's give it a second to,
I kind of like that it takes a second, because if you wanted to have people, if you wanted people to think that this was a human, I mean, you don't have to trick people, but if you wanted to, it doesn't automatically give the answer. So that's kind of
and for some reason this time, whenever we're doing this live, we got some errors over here. So I need to see if I need to refresh this. Hold on, I probably need to go and refresh my knowledge base, because I think I have like two things over here, and it's making probably
it's confusing. Also see the conversations, it looks like. So if you have an issue where it doesn't understand it, you can go in and change it, which is good.
Yeah, let me just refresh the page altogether, make sure I'm on the right one. As you can see, I was on the wrong one. Yeah, let's just give it a refresh, and probably should be able to answer me now. Let's just restart the chat. Hey, can you tell me when this launch will go live? Let's start with something simpler.
It's typing.
Oh, there we go. So we got the answer.
11 a.m. Okay. But of course, everyone, the pre-launch webinar is before that. We get the pre-launch webinar on the 23rd. And I think you're going to have another one on the 24th in the morning at 10 a.m. also before. So there's a couple of them.
I'm writing like I'm writing with my feet right now, but it still understands. So let's see. The pre-launch webinar one will happen on May 23, 2024. It actually got the date wrong. I don't know. Maybe I have it on the wrong. Let me just check the info file here, because if you give it the wrong
If you
Of
give it
course, I
the
get
wrong
there.
time, look, you guys gave it the wrong time. How is it supposed to learn if you guys aren't teaching it correctly? Adrian,
Yeah, sorry about that. That
it
was
can't
on
read
me.
your mind. I mean, AI is amazing, but it still can't read your mind yet.
But I knew that something is wrong and
Yeah.
something is off, so it was in my training material. Um,
The
can I
problem
get
is the humans are the problem, not the AI.
so I'm asking for my affiliate link where I can request it. So this is something interesting to see if it only brings that up or it gives me all of them. So as you can see, it's pretty smart. It knows how to look into the knowledge base and give me the things that I'm requesting. As you can, here's the front end affiliate link for AI chat agent. Okay, can you do me a favor and also give me the full affiliate links, right? So I'm asking for the full links to get them.
I mean, Adrian, this is cool for like little, like your launch doesn't have like, oh, that's cool too. Look, you got all of it. Your launch doesn't have a ton of information for it, right? Like it's a smaller file, but I could see bigger businesses using this as well, or even like local businesses just putting,
Definitely.
just saving so much time by putting all that information in there that you normally are answering over and over and over again, and just really having something. I think chatbots, if you recall, maybe 5 years ago, I don't know how long they've been around, but we had these like little Facebook chatbots that everyone was using, and they would kind of chat, and you'd have to teach them like every single answer, and it was just so difficult to teach them and to make them actually useful. And now it's like these things are actually useful, which I think is the most important part. It's not just technology anymore, it's useful technology.
Yeah. Look, can you tell me what is AI chat agent? Right, because this is the name of the product, and I'm interested if he can also tell me what exactly it is and give it an explanation. So it's see, quite straight to the point answers. Didn't give me a long list, even though I gave it a very long list of what this is. Right, it just summarized. It didn't just took all this thing and throw it over there and get over with it. It summarized the most important parts that I need to know. Can you give me the key features? So this works for any business. We're just making this quick sneak peek demo as as acting as an affiliate. But look at it. It can look into the knowledge base and it can come up with the right answers for it. And you have seen how simple it was for me to start creating my first agent, customize it, and then also see all the conversation that I have with it,
I
right?
think the most useful thing in this is the fact that you're going to understand your customers a lot more by seeing the questions that they're asking about your product. Anything that you're selling, whether you're selling a product, whether you are a local business, whether you are an affiliate marketer, seeing what people are asking about will really give you an insight into what people are looking for, and you can really understand what your customer is interested in. And I think that's priceless when it comes to this.
Yeah, and there's here in the support, system support, before you can actually give them English plain instructions of what this agent needs to do. So for example, if I want him to make sure we capture the name, the email, and the phone number before answering any question, make sure you capture the name, email, and phone number of the user, right? So let's just put here important. I'm just gonna show you this in action live. So what I'm going to do, go back here, reset my conversation, and say, hello, this is Mike. I'd like to join this launch. Let's see if it's actually.
Huh, there we go.
There we go. Yeah, so let's say
If I
Mike.
put my email there, is that going to be just added to the conversation? Will I have to go in there manually and add it, or is there another way to get that email somewhere else?
We are going to store all this information. we're going to store all this information, and you can basically access it into the conversation later down the road. So you can have it over here, and you can even have like integrations where you can send this email to your CRMs, or you can even, have an integration with the main platform, which is Convertly, to store this directly in our own CRM.
Is that an upgrade?
Yes, it's going to be part of the upsells, but I don't want to spill out all the beans. I'm going to explain tomorrow everything.
Sure. Okay. Really quick, I am going to ask you, Adrian. That looks really cool. If you want to, if that's pretty much it, you can come back to me.
Let's just stop sharing the screen. Yeah, back to you, Mike.
Just really quick. We mentioned, I always ask about the funnel and the upgrades. Just really quick, can you just talk about what they're going to get on the front end, and just a brief overview of what those upgrades are going to be that they're going to see after?
So on the front end, we're going to have the AI chat agent, which is designed to handle real-time sales, support inquiries, and collect crucial lead data 24/7. It integrates seamlessly with our existing CRM systems, offer personalized data collection, and supports over 2,000 integrations for enhanced efficiency and customer engagement. So as part of the key features on the front end, you'll have an agent 24/7 availability. It's an easy deployment, just like I showed you. You can brand customize it with your own logo and your own colors. You get advanced training capabilities for your agent, lead generation and capture features right on the front end. You get comprehensive integrations, real-time analytics. It's a cost-effective solution because you pay once and use it for life, eliminating ongoing costs and providing scalable solutions for customer engagement. You get multiple language support as well as part of the front-end deal. It's also going to bring autonomous interaction management and enhanced customer satisfaction for your business. And that's only on the front end. That all of the key features that I've mentioned are on the front end. And then we also have a couple of upgrades, which I urge you to check them out and do not miss them out, because we also have the professional license of AI chat agents, which comes with unlimited AI agents, unlimited AI words, unlimited document updates, your own OpenAI API integration, so you can use your own keys, specialized role training for your agents, enhanced performance of the agent, even extended knowledge base. You can access an extensive pool of knowledge base as well, seamlessly integration, and you can also monetize AI agent, which means with the pro version, you can basically have commercial license and you can sell this to local businesses, to other businesses, to other brands out there.
One. For me, I would get the upgrade number one just because I'd want to be able to sell it to businesses. I think that's one of the coolest parts of this, being able to actually approach businesses and say, look, you're not gonna when you do that, you'll still manage the back end for them, right? You'll manage do you have the login, or do they have the login? How does that work?
Absolutely, you have the login, so you can manage everything and you can charge them for that. Charge businesses a monthly fee for keeping their agents updated and maintenance fee. So that can also be
really cool. You could go out there, and I'm just using my brainstorming skills here, and you could go out there and take someone's website, like let's say take a local business's website, and you could copy all the information, put it into a file, put it into the software, and make a chat bot. You could just say, hey, you could reach out to them, hey, I made you this chat bot, and I want to show you how it works. It knows everything about your business. Would you like to have this on your website? And you could just send them a link to it. You wouldn't even need to install it on their website. You could just
you can put it on our own file, yeah.
Yeah, you could actually put it on just on a page on your own website, send that to them, say, look, this thing knows everything about your business. How would you like to have this on your website? And they're going to kind of play around with it, and they're going to be like, holy crap, how does this person know everything about me? And you could get them on a monthly fee. You could charge. It looks like. Are there any limits on how many copies, how many agents you can sell to people?
No, I already said with the pro version, you get unlimited AI agents. You can create as many as you can.
So there's no limit. I mean, you could sell this for like $47 a month, $97 a month. You could even do the thing where you do it cheaper and do it really low so that people never quit. Like if someone's paying you, I don't know, one of these businesses paying you like $27 a month for this. They're just going to keep on paying for it, especially if you're bringing in leads for them. I think that's a cool idea. I like that one, Adrian.
I mean, your prices were quite high. Wait until you see. I'm not going to reveal the price for now. I'll keep this a secret, but I can tell you that this is a no-brainer price. It's something that nobody will expect. I can tell you that it's very affordable, and it's something. It's a no-brainer not to get this upgrade. With all these options and all these key features that I've just explained. And if you just mentioned about finding people's website, because the next upgrade on the line is actually one of our other in-house projects that is also part of the same ecosystem. So inside the same ecosystem, you can get access to Prospector LinkedIn Edition, which is a lead generation and lead finding solution that uses advanced OSINT AI technology to generate high-quality leads from LinkedIn, offering AI-verified decision-maker emails and detailed lead information. So this means you're not only going to be able to sell these agents to businesses, but we're also going to give you the tool that you need to identify these businesses and sign them as clients.
You can get leads with it, essentially.
Yeah, and part of the key features of this Prospector LinkedIn lead generation software, you get an OSINT AI technology, AI verified emails, real-time lead collection, AI lead scoring. You get a Chrome extension. You get one-click outreach, detailed lead enrichment. You get built-in tools, one-time purchase, because it's going to be a one-time, so no monthly recurring fees, user-friendly interface, and also it comes with a 30 days money-back guarantee, just like all of my products. And if you think that's cool, we thought about how about we're doubling up on LinkedIn lead finding, and we're also offering you a solution to find businesses, pages, and leads straight out of Facebook. So we're also having our Prospector Facebook edition placed on the table, which is going to give you another lead generation opportunity to get all kind of leads, but this time from Facebook. And as part of the last but not least upgrade that we have on the table, this is also going to help you not only, so you got the chats to impress people, you got the lead finding to find them, but I can also give you convert lead pages, which allows you to build. It's a page builder that allows you to easily create drag and drop pages, landing pages for these businesses. So you can have another service that you can sell to businesses as part of your agency or as part of your own funnel, funnel solution. And with Pages by ConvertLead, it enhances your online presence by creating professional websites and landing page powered by AI as well. It complements Prospector by ensuring high quality lead conversion on your landing pages, and also so you can do landing pages, put the chatbot on the landing page and show them a brand new landing page for their website with the chatbot, and you can sell as a full bundle, as a package, and you can charge more for that. So I already spilled the beans on how to make a full business out of it, right?
Well, with ConvertLead, you can also can you sell pages with that? Does that include a commercial license as well with ConvertLead? Can you sell pages to people?
Yeah, it can. It includes that as well.
Makes complete sense to me. Adrian, thank you so much for coming on the show today. I know you're very busy with your upcoming launch. Is there anything else? I mean, everyone, remember we've got the webinar that's going to be on Thursday, and that was 2 p.m. on Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern time, 2 p.m. New York time. Then we've got another webinar on the 24th at 10 a.m. if you miss out on that one, but try to be on that one on Thursday. That's the sneak peek, exciting one that if you want to get in there, be the newest people getting in on it, then you want to get in on that time. Is there anything else we missed? Anything you wanted to mention before we wrap it up?
Yes, one thing I do want to mention, there's not going to be any replays about the webinar because I don't know, many people are used to getting bundles. We do not have a bundle offer for this one, because we wanted to make it affordable for everyone. So we don't want to charge anyone $497 or anywhere near that price. So I've made all of the upgrades and all of the, the front end prices very affordable, so that everyone can get a chance to tap into this very lucrative business model. So that's why we do not have like bundles. We do not have webinar replies. So if you can, make sure you make it to the first 2 sessions. And yeah, I look forward in showing you in details how you can use this and how you can make a full business out of it.
Adrian, again, thank you so much for coming on the show, and best of luck with your launch.
Thank you so much, Mike, for having me here. And everybody, I'm looking forward in meeting you soon in the presentation webinar tomorrow.